Hello students, let us continue chapter 14, Practical Geometry. In the previous class, we learned about line segment and constructing a line segment using a ruler and a compass. In today's class, we will be discussing constructing a copy of a given line segment. Suppose you want to draw a line segment whose length is equal to that of a given line segment AB. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है जिसका लेंथ किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए ऑफ अ गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट AB. So a quick and natural approach is to use your ruler, which is marked with centimeters and millimeters, to measure the length of AB and then use the same length to draw another line segment CD. यानी कि ऑलरेडी अगर आपको AB यहाँ पे इस तरह से दिया हुआ है तो आप अपने रूलर से इसको मेजर कर सकते हैं और जो भी उसका मेजरमेंट होगा उसी मेजरमेंट का आप एक लाइन सेगमेंट CD ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ये एक वे है. The second approach would be to use a transparent sheet and trace AB onto another portion of the paper. But these methods may not always give accurate results. So यहाँ पे second method क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आप एक transparent sheet of paper ले लो और line segment AB को उस पर trace करके AB की कॉपी बना लो. लाइन सेगमेंट AB की कॉपी ऐसे भी हम बना सकते हैं. बट दीज मेथड्स डू नॉट गिव द एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट, यानी कि वी विल नॉट गेट द एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट्स समटाइम्स. सो व्हाट इज़ द अनदर वे? A better approach would be to use ruler and compass for making this construction. That is, we can use a ruler and a compass for making a copy of a given line segment AB. Now, how will we do it? Let us begin exercise 14.3 in order to find out how to draw the copy of a line segment using ruler and compass. Question number 1. Draw any line segment PQ. Without measuring line segment PQ, construct a copy of line segment PQ. तो सबसे पहले आपको यहाँ पे एक line segment draw करना है PQ. इसको मेजर नहीं करना है. विदाउट मेजरिंग यू नीड टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ कॉपी ऑफ PQ. सो हियर we will name the copy of PQ as RS. So we are going to draw a line segment RS which will be the copy of line segment PQ. How will we do this? Let us see the solution to find out. In this question, let us draw a line segment PQ. We don't know the length of line segment PQ. I am not measuring it. So this is our line segment PQ. We are going to create a copy of line segment PQ without actually knowing the length of line segment PQ. So first of all, let us draw a line L. इस line L पे हम construct करेंगे copy of line segment PQ. Here on this line L, I am taking a point R. Now, using my compass, I will be measuring the distance of PQ like this. So as you can see, this is precisely the length of line segment PQ. So I am going to place the pointer of my compass on point R and draw an arc such that it intersects line L at a point S. So here I can say that RS, line segment RS, is a copy of line segment PQ. Now let us just verify our construction using the ruler. So यहाँ पे 5.3 centimeter is the length of line segment PQ. So RS का जो length होगा that should also be equal to 5.3 centimeter, and as you can see the length of line segment RS is equal to 5.3 centimeter. यहाँ पे PQ is of length 5.3 centimeter and RS is also of length 5.3 centimeter. So here we have made a copy of line segment PQ without knowing the length of line segment PQ using a ruler and a compass. Question number 2. Given some line segment AB whose length you do not know, construct PQ, line segment PQ, such that the length of line segment PQ is twice that of line segment AB. So in this question you are given a line segment AB like so. and here you don't know the length of line segment AB, but you need to construct a line segment PQ whose length is twice that of AB. यानी कि जो भी line segment AB का length होगा उसका twice 2 times length वाला line segment आपको draw करना है PQ. Here the condition given to us is the length of PQ should be equal to twice the length of line segment AB. This is given to us and we don't know the length of line segment AB. So what we are going to do is we will construct a line segment AB of any length and then we will construct on a line, we will take a line L और यहाँ पे we will have point P. Now we will draw a line segment PS such that PS will be equal to AB and from point S we will draw another line segment SQ and SQ will also be equal to AB. That is यहाँ पे PS is equal to length of line segment AB and SQ will also be equal to length of line segment AB. So over here what will be the length of line segment PQ? It will be AB plus AB. AB plus AB will be 2 times AB. So like this we can construct a line segment PQ such that its length is equal to 2 times length of line segment AB without actually knowing the length of line segment AB using the ruler and compass. All in this question we will be drawing a line segment AB of any length. So here this is my line segment AB. Now I need to draw a line L और यहाँ पे इस लाइन L पे मैं AB को 2 बार कॉपी करूँगी. So on my line L I am first of all going to take a point P because मुझे PQ ड्रॉ करना है तो पहला पॉइंट जो है वो मेरा P होगा. Next using my compass I am going to measure this distance AB. So as you can see here the distance of my compass is equal to length of line segment AB. So I am going to place the pointer of my compass on point P and draw an arc like this. So here this point S, this is point S and PS is equal to AB. Now हमें PQ draw करना है जो twice होगा AB के. So यहाँ पे I am taking my compass again. The length is equal to the length of AB and here I am keeping the pointer at point S and drawing an arc like this. And this point, the point of intersection, it is called point Q. तो अभी यहाँ पे PQ जो होगा that will be equal to 2 times AB क्योंकि ये भी AB के equal है and this is also equal to AB. So here let us measure the length of line segment AB. It is 6 centimeter. तो 6 का डबल क्या है 12. That means PQ it should be equal to 12 centimeter and as you can observe over here line segment PQ measures exactly 12 centimeter. So here we have drawn a line segment AB and then drew a line segment PQ whose length is equal to twice the length of AB using ruler and compass. Let us now discuss the next topic, perpendiculars. You know that two lines or rays or segments are said to be perpendicular if they intersect such that the angles formed between them are right angles. In the figure, lines L and M are perpendicular. So we all know the meaning of perpendicular already. It can be two lines or rays or segments that intersect each other at right angles. Angle कैसा होना चाहिए? Right angle, that means the angle should be of 90 degree. So two line segments or two rays, they are said to be perpendicular if they intersect or the angles that are formed between them are right angles. So here line L and line M are perpendicular. The corners of a foolscap paper or your notebook indicate lines meeting at right angles. So here as you can see, the corners of a paper or the corners of your notebook, they indicate right angles. That means these line segment, they meet each other at right angles, so they are perpendicular. In this section we will learn how to construct perpendicular to a line through a point on it. यानी कि अगर कोई एक लाइन है L और इस लाइन पे एक पॉइंट है पॉइंट P, so how will we draw a line that is perpendicular to line L through this point P? इस point P से हम क्या ऐसा एक line draw कर पाएंगे? तो the answer is yes, we can definitely draw a line that is perpendicular through this point. So इसको कैसे draw करेंगे वो हम इस section में discuss करेंगे. We will also discuss perpendicular to a line through a point not on it. That is, consider a line L and there is a point P outside this line. यानी कि ये line L पे एक point नहीं है, तो इस point से एक perpendicular line L पे कैसे draw करें वो भी हम लोग यहाँ पर इस section में discuss करेंगे. To learn these constructions, let us begin exercise 14.4, question number 1. Draw any line segment AB, mark any point M on it. Through M, draw a perpendicular to AB. Use ruler and compasses. So in this question, first of all, we need to draw a line segment AB and we need to mark any point M on AB. और उसके बाद हमें ये जो पॉइंट M है इससे एक perpendicular draw करना है, that will be perpendicular to AB. So how will we do this? Let us see the construction to understand. We will be constructing this using ruler and compass. First of all, you need to draw a line segment AB of any length, since this is not given to you in the question. So here these are the two end points. यहाँ पे point ही लगाना है, आपको arrows draw नहीं करना है because this is line segment and the name of the line segment is AB. Next, you need to mark a point M anywhere on AB. So here I am marking a point and I am naming it point M. Next, with M as the center and any radius, you need to draw an arc. So यहाँ पे M मेरा center है और एक रेडियस लिया, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा एक डिस्टेंस आपको आपके कंपास पे लेना है. एंड यू नीड टू ड्रॉ अ आर्क दैट इज़ अ सेमी सर्कल on line segment AB such that it intersects AB at 2 points. You can call it D and E. Next, you need to take D as the center. D को center मान के the radius should be more than DM. ठीक है, DM से ज़्यादा radius होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. And you need to draw an arc like this over here. And without changing the distance, taking E as the center, you need to draw another arc to intersect the previous arc. तो अगर पहला arc ऊपर बनाया है तो यहाँ पे ये वाला arc यहाँ पे इसको intersect करना चाहिए. ऐसे आपको arcs draw करने हैं. You will get a point of intersection. You can call this point C. You need to join M and C. Like so. If you want, you can extend this a bit. So here this will be perpendicular to line segment AB. That is, at point M we will get a 90-degree angular right angle. Here, as you can see clearly that here we are having a 90-degree right angle. So we can say that CM is perpendicular to AB. तो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को ये जो symbol है, this symbol is for perpendicular. So here in this case we can say that CM is perpendicular to AB. Question number 2. Draw any line segment PQ. Take any point R not on it. Through R, draw a perpendicular to line segment PQ. Use ruler and set square. So in this question we need to draw a line segment PQ and we need to take a point R that is not on PQ. यानी कि अगर यहाँ पे हमारा line segment PQ है तो R जो है वो इसके बाहर कोई point होगा. and इस line के through हमें एक perpendicular draw करना है. that line segment will be perpendicular to line segment PQ, and for this construction we need to use ruler and set square. First of all, let us draw a line segment PQ. So this is line segment PQ. Next, in the question we are told to take any point R not on it. So here I am taking a point R which is not on my line segment PQ, as you can see. Next, you need to take your set square. As I told you before, here this angle measures 90 degree. So you need to place this on your line segment PQ like this, and you need to place your ruler along the opposite edge. Along the edge opposite to the right angle of the set square like this. So यहाँ पे जो ruler है that is on my line segment PQ, and here this is my set square and this is an angle of 90 degree. You need to hold the ruler firmly and slide the set square along the ruler. इस तरह से आपको इसको slide करना है till you reach the point R, that is the point R falls on the other edge of the set square. तो यहाँ पे एक edge पे यहाँ पे line segment PQ है, दूसरे edge पे जो है that is point R. Next, you need to draw a line along this other edge of the line segment, that is a line that is passing through R. So using this edge as the reference, and this will intersect at line segment PQ. You can name this point point M. So यहाँ पे ये जो line है वो M पे intersect कर रहा है, and if you want you can extend this a bit like this. इस तरह से आप इसको extend भी कर सकते हो. So यहाँ पे R से पास होता हुआ एक perpendicular हमने draw कर लिया है. Next, let us check whether this is of 90 degree, that is perpendicular or not. So here as you can observe, ये जो है angle ये 90 degree form कर रहा है. That means here RM is perpendicular to line segment PQ. Question number 3. Draw a line L and a point X on it. Through X, draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L. Now, draw a perpendicular to XY at Y. So, in this question, first of all, we need to draw a line L and there should be a point X on it. Through this point X, we need to draw a line segment XY that will be perpendicular to our line L, and then we need to draw a perpendicular to line segment XY at Y using ruler and compass. Let us understand the question first. Here you need to draw a line L and you need to mark a point X on it. अब ये जो पॉइंट है x, इससे आपको एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है, दैट इज दिस विल बी परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस लाइन L, एंड हियर यू नीड टू नेम दिस पॉइंट y. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक्स वाई जो है वो लाइन L से परपेंडिकुलर है. तो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, y से इस लाइन सेगमेंट एक्स वाई पे एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है, यानी कि यहाँ से एक आपको लाइन सेगमेंट ऐसा ड्रॉ करना है जो यहाँ पे एंगल कितना फॉर्म करेगा, राइट एंगल, दैट इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. सो बेसिकली दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट. तो सबसे पहले एक लाइन सेगमेंट L ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड वी विल टेक अ पॉइंट X ऑन इट, और इस पॉइंट X से एक हम लोग को परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है. तो वो कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं ये ऑलरेडी हमने क्वेश्चन 1 में देख ही लिया है, एक बार फिर से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. In this question, first of all, you need to draw a line L. So here, let us name this line L and mark a point X on it. So ये जो point है इसका नाम क्या है, X है. Next, with X as the center and any convenient radius, you need to draw an arc such that it intersects line L at 2 points. These 2 points can be called A and B. The next step is you need to take A as the center and radius should be more than AX, like so. A को center मान के AX से ज़्यादा radius लेके आपको एक arc यहाँ पे draw करना है, like this. And with B as center and same radius should be same, you need to draw another arc. The point of intersection of this arc should be joined with X. You can call this point C, and here in this way you can join XC. So here XC is perpendicular to line segment AB or line L, or you can call this point Y. So यहाँ पे XY is perpendicular to line segment AB. We can check this with the help of a protractor. So here as you can see the angle is of 90 degree. Next क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको, यहाँ पे ये जो पॉइंट Y है यहाँ से XY पे एक आपको परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है. तो इस लाइन को थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर लेते हैं, लाइक दिस. लेट अस एक्सटेंड दिस लाइक सो. क्योंकि अभी जो हमने यहाँ पे इस लाइन के साथ किया वही आपको यहाँ पे इस लाइन सेगमेंट के साथ करना है. यू नीड टू take Y as the center and with any radius you need to draw an arc like this. अब ये जो arc है ये आप देख सकते हैं इसको दो पॉइंट्स में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. Take this point D and take this point E. So यहाँ पे D और E को आपको सेंटर्स मानने एक एक करके. तो पहले D को सेंटर मानना है and with radius more than dy. ठीक है, D को सेंटर मानना है with radius more than dy. You need to draw an arc like this with D as center and radius more than dy, like so. And with E as center and the same radius you need to draw another arc to intersect the previously drawn arc at a point. You can name this point F. All you need to do is join Y and F like this properly. Here FY is perpendicular to XY and XY is perpendicular to AB. So यहाँ पे ये वाला एंगल भी चेक कर लेते हैं क्या ये 90 डिग्री है. So when we measure this, it can be observed that this angle is also of 90 degree. That is यहाँ पे we can say that FY is perpendicular to line segment XY. सिर्फ इतने पार्ट की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. और यहाँ पे line segment XY जो है that is perpendicular to line segment AB as well. जैसे हमने पहले भी चेक किया था. ये जो angle है this is of 90 degree. So in this way you need to solve this question.